youngsters would go, I would go with the mobile phone. And it's a kind of versatile tool, we all know, right? I mean, if I want to read a book, I can read a book in mobile. If I want to hear some music, I can do that in mobile. And the kind of surfing and chatting and social networking thing we do, right? So I'm a kind of borderline addict for that. So for that, I would be choosing my mobile phone. And somewhere I have to control my craving, because when mobile phone is in my hand, the thing that I do, as most women here would agree, online shopping, right? So I don't know how much I would be using my phone for reading book, but I would be doing all these things. So I choose my mobile phone. The only hitch I have is I can do take it whenever I go, but the only thing is I have to keep charging it. That is a thing. I have to carry my power bank and all. But yes, the kind of versatile tool that technology has given in our hands, I would be going with mobile phone and will use it for all the kind of stuff that I want to do. Over to you, Toastmaster Shweta.
Wonderful. Who's going to come up next? Okay.
Toastmaster Shweta Ajay.
Yeah. Come on, general evaluator, you can do this.
Okay.
Yes. Over to you, Toastmaster Shweta.
Yeah. Thank you for the wonderful gift which you're giving me. Yeah. To choose among banana and chocolate. For me, I would say first preference would be chocolate. I'm a big fan of chocolates. My kids, what they ask for me daily is, can we bake chocolate cake? But then I tell them, don't do it, just because I'll eat more than what they do. Just to avoid that, I make sure that I don't buy chocolates much or bake chocolate cakes. Yeah. But then yeah, for everybody I would say, like, if you give a chance to choose among two things, most of them will prefer that. And for me, chocolate is just like, I can have it any time of the day. Even when I get up in the morning, I would love to have a piece of chocolate, and I don't mind getting diabetic or anything in future just because of having a chocolate. So yeah, the things what I know to make out of chocolates are some chocolate cakes. I've tried making chocolates as such, but it didn't turn out really good as we buy it. But then still, yeah, I gave it a try from my side. So I make cookies, I make cakes with chocolates. So for me, the best ever gift I could get is a chocolate. Thank you so much, and over to Toastmaster of the Day.
Thank you so much, Shweta. We would love to have those cookies, definitely. And just a moment. Thanks. Next, who's going to come up? Toastmaster Kavita. Yes. Good evening, Toastmaster Kavita.
Hi, good evening. Give me a second. Give me a second.
Yes. I just hope people will not scold me after this.
Yeah, I went to close the door. Yeah.
Yes. Good evening.
Good evening. Yeah. Who invited me? Shweta, you or Shweta Ajay? Someone?
No,
I don't know. Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much. Yeah.
Your topic is marker or water bottle. What are you going to talk about?
Marker.
Okay.
Yeah. Should I differentiate, or should I talk only about the marker now?
You can do whatever you want. You want to talk about a marker, you can talk. You want to talk about a water bottle, you can talk. You want to tell the differences, you are open to anything.
Okay, yeah. Good evening, everyone. Marker, okay. When my child was 1 year old, the marker was in different forms of, I can say, pictures and alphabets, everything. Like it was seen on the wall, and the wall was totally decorated. So when he was 1 or 2 years old, I was thinking who invented this marker, so that even we could not rub if it is been made dirty. The walls are made dirty. So later, when he was 5 or 6 years old, he started drawing small circles and then 2 ears and eyes, and then he used to tell me, "Mama, it's you," and all. So I thought, okay, see, he's doing something with that, and I never used to snatch from him when he was being creative with that marker. And yeah, bottles, yeah. I do like bottles, but I prefer the steel ones because it's free from toxic somewhat, I feel, rather than going for plastic. So yeah, if the choice are given, I would like to buy both, but most preferably, my children have grown older now, so I prefer marker. Yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Toastmaster Kavita. It was fun. Next,
Thank you.
Toastmaster Susan.
I missed the earlier part, the scramble part. No,
Yeah.
when it was almost done. Yeah.
It's okay. We'll play Pictionary now. Yes. Toastmaster Susan, you have
Yes,
a tissue.
Shweta. Tissue.
You have a notepad.
Only tissue and what else?
Tissue and a notepad. You have a notepad.
Notepad. I'll talk about tissue.
Shweta, as a student, she has collected all the student stuff from nearby and just showing it all to us.
It was impromptu. I had to do this. It was the same impromptu, I had to collect items. This was table topics for me.
No, but that is
So-
amazing, amazing stuff.
Toastmaster Shweta, it is interesting that you've collected all possible things for us to speak about.
Yes.
Tissue seems to be a nice topic to talk about as well. Tissue is an integral part after coming to UAE for us, because without tissue, nothing works. Everywhere you go, I carry around tissues to wipe the face, to wipe the dust off, to remove the makeup, to remove the stain in the kitchen. Everywhere tissues there. Go to a makeup room, there is makeup tissue, and go to the toilet, there is toilet tissue. So tissue is an integral part of us. And then what about different colors of tissue that appear? It is very appealing to eyes, and it has got a very soft texture. And nowadays, after COVID has come into existence, without tissue, you cannot go around. You have to use face mask as well. So I believe tissue is something that is very essential throughout life in UAE, especially. In India, however, we use fabrics more compared to the tissues. We use handkerchiefs instead of tissues. But here, we purchase tissues as boxes and consume it, and it's a very important consumable here. I cannot see the timer. May I see the timer?
She's showing the card.
Okay. So, Shweta, I really enjoyed your topic that you've given to me once again. Tissue is an integral part of me and my family here. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Toastmaster Susan. Can we have the timer report, please?
Okay, thank you, Toastmaster. So for timer report is like Chetna speaks for 1 minute and 25 seconds. Shweta Ajay speaks for 1 minute and 20 seconds. Kavita speaks for 1 minute and 30 seconds. Susan speaks for 1 minute and 56 seconds. So all are qualified.
Okay. I shall release the poll in a minute. By the time, can we complete dictionary?
Yeah, let us start with that. Thank you so much